Alright, okay, yeah. You look too happy.
Go. Yes. Okay. But wait! Don't tell them yet! Foo-foo! When your life is filled with dough, fill it with the orange door hinge! Just put it on the wall and...
You're out of the shot at the end of that, so we'll just do that again.
Wow! That's amazing! Stop it! I'm so hungry. I have so many problems getting into my home.
How do you feel about that?
My life is so dull. I'm trapped in a box. Is that it?
I see what you need is a Groovy's orange door hinge. Is it bad?
How about retake?
Alright.
And say it right.
Miss, I think what you need is a Groovy's door hinge.
I feel so well. Gosh, Rooney, groovy. It changed my life. I'm finally free from that box. Yeah.
6.022 times 10 to the negative 23rd power of children die every year because they can't get into their houses to eat.
All the results are the same. When people are unhinged, they cannot function and suffer from confusion.
Don't come unhinged.
I couldn't do it. I think that goes down through the
Join the Orange Revolution!
Bring peace and save the world.
Why, hello, children! What's next?
I got it.
It's like for everyone who buys some garbage to a Starbucks Florida family.
Oh, her child?
I
Sorry.
I got it.
I want to back up more.
Okay.
Wait a second, why don't you just let someone hold it up so you can read it?
Can you read this?
I'm good with my...
Or I could chuck it on the back.
Make your timest. What?
I stand up again. You want me to stand up? Okay.
Okay.
Go a little slower though, kind of be like with a creepy smile on. Okay. Ready? Ready? Oh, it's recording!
Why, hello, children! For every Groovy's door hinge you buy, we send an orange to a starving family. No, really. Every can save a starving family in Florida.
Go.
Hello and welcome, folks. Today on the show we have a psychedelic guest.
That's right. I'm here to demonstrate an orangey invention. I said it wrong.
Go.
Hello and welcome, folks. Today on the show we have a psychedelic guest.
That's right. I'm here to demonstrate a revolutionary orangey invention.
Do that.
Groovy's door hinges. Here, let me demonstrate. And look, there's a door. Oh, we have a special guest. Gosh, Ruby, it's our #1 buyer, Santa. That's right. With Gosh Rudy's door hinges, now I don't have to use chimneys anymore. I've got all orange. And look, there's a door. Look, we have a special guest. It's our #1 buyer, Santa. That's right. With Groovy's door hinges, I don't have to use chimneys anymore. I've got all orange. Santa, for Christmas, I wanna... What?
Oh, you had fade on.
Santa only gives presents to kids who buy our door hedges. Feeling groovy, man. Santa only gives presents to kids who buy our door hinges. Feeling groovy, man. Santa only gives presents to kids who buy our door hinges. Feeling groovy, man. Wow, so this really does work.
Yep.
And with every purchase, they send oranges to a starving family in Florida. Wow. Amazing.
And easy to have at the price of...
But you only have to pay $1 a day for the rest of your life. Join the Orange Door Hinge Revolution! What's that?
Oh, just in case the rhyming slogan doesn't work. You will buy Groovy's door hinges.